How to create a newsletter in Brevo. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create newsletter in Brevo. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account in Brevo, you could also use the link in the description, in which by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to simply go to brevo.com. And if you don't know this Brevo, it is a platform that offers tools for building customer relationship across various channels, including email, SMS, chat, and many more, in which it is more than just an email marketing platform, as it also provides features for managing customer interactions and engagement. Brevo offers free trial for users to try out its services, and this platform allows users to run campaigns across different channels such as email, SMS, and WhatsApp. And now, to register or get free CRM, just enter your email address in here. Then just proceed by clicking Get Free CRM button below. And upon signing in, you will be directed on this page. So this is basically what the dashboard looks like of Brevo. You will see on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating via here: home, contacts, lists, segments, landing pages, campaigns, email, SMS, WhatsApp, automations, transactional, conversations, deals, meetings, and calls. And you could all navigate it under this Brevo. And now, to start creating a newsletter in Brevo, just simply click the campaigns option on the left side panel, in which from here you can create a campaign using your email, SMS, WhatsApp, web push, templates, and many more. And in those options, I'm going to choose to create a newsletter using email. So can I click on email, and you will see on the right side panel the email campaigns. And to start creating a new email campaign, just click this button on the top right corner. And after that, from here, you have the choices to choose either regular or A/B test. But I'm going to select regular, and below, under the campaign name, just simply enter the name of your campaign. So for instance, I'm going to enter here sample newsletter. Then proceed by clicking create campaign button. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to complete all of this step, such as to manage sender by simply clicking on this button, manage sender. You will be directed in here, in which below you could simply input your email address and your company name. Then just proceed by clicking the save button below here. And after filling out the sender information, the next thing that we need to do is to add the recipient or the people who receive your campaign. From here, just select lists or segments. But in those options, since I don't have segments to add, I'm going to choose under the list and on my first folder. And after selecting a recipient, below here, just proceed by clicking the save button in order to save the changes. Or alternatively, you could also add or select a segments in here. And now, after adding a recipient, the next thing that we need to do is to add a subject line for this campaign, in which this is the first thing that the recipient will see when they receive your campaign email, in which it serves as first impression and can significantly impact whether the recipient opens the email or not. And as you can see, I just enter here new promo coming, while under the preview text, that's I'm going to enter here check out our 20% off services. And to customize the subject, just clicking use AI, in which by clicking use AI, you will see here on the right side panel some of the suggestion of subject line that you could also change or add in creating your email, campaign, or newsletter. And let's say I'm going to choose this one. So can I click use it, and upon clicking on it, it will show you that the subject line has now been changed. And under the preview text, you could also personalize which attribute would you like to insert. We have here email, last name, first name, SMS, and many more. But that is just only an optional. Or alternatively, you could also add an emoji to your preview text. And now to save the changes, just click the save button below here to proceed. And now after that, under the design, the next thing that you need to do is to simply create your email design by selecting a template, layouts, campaigns, and even create your own using code. So basically, you can simply select here a specific template that you prefer. But in those options, I'm going to choose under this template gallery, in which below here it will show us a variety of template with different design, colors, and layouts on it. And to see the template, just click the preview button, in order to browse what it looks like, and you will see it on this pop-up window. And now to start using this template, just click Use Template button from here, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, you can now start customizing this template, starting to its logo, text, background, layout, design, and other elements that you want to add on this template. So basically, this is what we're going to use as an attachment in our newsletter. And as you can see on the left side panel under the content, you will see here a variety of editing tools that you could also use. So for instance, we're going to change the background color of this section, in which upon clicking on it or selecting a color, we can now start finalizing the design depending on our preferences. You could also add here a video, button, logo, your social media account link, HTML payment link, change into style 1, style 2, edit the header, the footer section, add a divider, and even a navigation. While under the style option on the left side panel, from here you can simply choose a different kind of template, adjust the size of the font, the color, the font style, add the buttons, spacing, and many more. And if you are now done customizing this template, just click Save and Quit button on the top right corner. Then you will be directed on this page. Now going back in here, it will show us under the design, the template that we just customized. And moving on under the additional settings, from here you could also personalize the send to field. And under sending and tracking, you could also use different reply to address, activate Google Analytics tracking, and also under subscription, you have the option to use custom, unsubscribe page, and use an update profile form. And to proceed, just click the save button below here. And after that, you will now see that you have now completed filling out all of the required information. And now to test this out, just click this preview and test. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here, in which you will see on the left side panel how it looks like when a recipient receives your campaign. And from here, you could also add new test recipient depending on your preferences. But I'm going to choose this email and kindly click Send Test to proceed. And after sending the email campaign that we just created, this is basically what it looks like when a recipient receives the email campaign that we just created. It will show us the subject line, the preview text, and also the template that we just customized earlier. And aside from sending this email campaign directly, we could also send this newsletter email by scheduling a specific time we want to send this to a recipient. And to do that, just go back in here and just click Schedule button. And it will show us on the right side panel, Send Now, Schedule for Later, in which we could simply select a specific date we want to send this newsletter or email campaign. You could also choose time. And after choosing a specific time and date, just click the Schedule button to proceed. And upon clicking on it, it will show us under this email campaigns that the newsletter or campaigns that we just created is now scheduled to be sent on March 23. And from here, we could also track the recipient, if the recipient opened the email campaign, number of clickers, and also the percentage of unsubscribe. But basically, that is just how you can create newsletter in Brevo. Thank you.